Today, day 29 of 30 of eating pomegranate. OMG. And tomorrow will be the last day of the challenge. I am so happy. So this is my pomegranate today. My hair looks like this because I just put rosemary and cloves water before eating this. That's why it looks like this. But don't worry, I'll take a shower after. Wow, this one is good. Looks good. Oh. I thought I thought I can eat it a while ago, like around 4 in the afternoon, but that's why I opened it already. That's why I cut it already, but I was not able to eat it. That's why I'm only eating it now at around 9 in the evening. That's why the skin looks like this, but it's still okay. See, it's still okay inside. Let's eat. Yeah, still tastes good. It's not a fruit worm, yeah, no. A little bit sour, but I like it. I like pomegranate with a little sourness. Sourness? That's all, guys. Day 29.